the message.
By the way, I was thinking, should we rebrand the project and call it asynchronous import?
Sounds good. Sounds good. Yeah, if you're already talking about this, I thought about just was today on a GitHub board, and we have a bit. I mean, we have the repository on Magento Corporation, and we have the ticketing system on Magento nconf/bulk API, which is a bit confusing. Should we maybe merge it like usual project like PVA or GraphQL that have board and a code on the same place? That is maybe a bit easier.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So this is one of the concerns. That's why. So I wanted to keep previous repository because it had content contributed by other contributors. So it had wiki pages contributed by you, as far as I remember, by Kerry.
Correct.
That was main reason. But if we rebrand the project and start everything from scratch, then we can have single board and single repository.
Sounds good. Should we make a new repository for it, or can we leave the current one?
So it all depends. If you just start a new project called asynchronous import, it will be new repository, new board.
Yeah, I would also think so.
And we can say that bulk API is finished and we did everything there. Or let's close the last issues which is left, and then we close bulk API. But it doesn't mean that we should start asynchronous import in parallel.
Yeah, correct. I agree. So let's do a new project there. I guess that's up to you then. I mean, you have permissions to do it.
I can create repository. I think we would need to come up with some description text.
Yep, correct. I mean, yeah, if you will create a repository, then I can start to fill the content there. That's fine. Can we move the tickets, or should we create them again from scratch?
I've seen some feature from ZenHub to move tickets. I'm not sure it really works. So probably just copy. Okay,
good. Yeah, but maybe that's also even better that we can maybe organize it a bit more clear. And then we can. Yeah, and do not copy the big issues and let's make directly the smaller out of them. Kind of this.
Yep. And also we can start talking about performance in context of import. So it will be a good use case for us.
Sounds good. I'm with you then. Yeah, let's do this one. For the bulk, we have still some story. By the way, we pushed the changes to the story with the topic that we discussed last time.
Okay, I see the build is currently running.
Yep, correct. It was today morning, still running. I guess a lot of builds, but yep. So let's wait for that, and if there will be some problems, we'll fix it. If it's success, then it's cool.
Do you want to share the screen maybe? So let's show what we're talking about.
Yep. Give me a second. I'll try this one. I don't know which screen you see. No, fine.
Yeah, bulk API C pool 22.
Yeah, correct. So I just closed it. So that was the topic that we pushed. Support for topics has schema defined, which is currently with the running builds. Hope all fine there. It's not. Yeah, then we will just align the tests if something is wrong. Yeah, then we have still the open the story with the user pass for sync reference. We really hope to finish it, guys. Still on a vacation.
So for that story, is it clear what should happen there, or you
yeah, that's totally fine. We already clarified it with adding the user type. So that's totally fine what to do. Just need to find the person and the time to finish it.
Okay.
But by the way, I talked to Kerry. He want to push the documentation for bulk this Friday. I need to merge it. Oh,
Oh, nice.
to Kevin.
Okay.
Kevin.
Okay.
Hey.
Hi. Yep. So the documentation hopefully will be finished. I have to align the small part of it. I'll do it tomorrow, I guess.
Okay, that's good.
Then we'll be done. Yep. That's. Yeah, this one is still open. I mean, I know you worked on it last time, but I don't know any progress there. If it's
Yeah. My progress, I tested the flow to add messages to the queue, currently testing consumers. So just covering same steps as I did for the 2.3 version. It just takes a while to set up everything properly. So still in progress.
Okay.
And I wanted to sync up with Alex on a couple questions related to backward compatibility. Still not sure, like, is it a proper way to handle it? So I might have some comments regarding that.
Okay. Yeah, good. Sure. If you have something, then just let me know. Yeah, I guess that's all from the. Yep, that's all currently from the topics we had in a bulk project. Just also for the guys who skipped the beginning, we talked to Eugen to create a new project which is called a synchronous import. And we'll kind of reorganize the current one to close the current pull request. And then we're kind of done with the bulk. And then we have a new project which is called a synchronous import. Then we can have one new Git repository to move the issues to it. Maybe not just move them, but reorganize them also to create the smallest stories out of the current ones and give some more detailed descriptions there that the people can easily jump in. Also, I thought about, I saw in GraphQL, there was a nice labels for all issues where you can like small, I guess, good first issue, kind of this. So which we can definitely use, that helps a lot. Yeah, that's kind of the plan.
Okay. From my side, I think we will need to work on decomposition of that asynchronous import on smaller tasks. That is the main goal for starting this project. And we agree that we will create a new repository, a new board. So all of that should happen this week. And I think it will be nice to start promoting that better. So we will include it in newsletter, weekly newsletter. We will include it maybe in monthly newsletter as well. And we should start post more frequent Twitter updates. Like everything which happens there, like created board, created project, should be covered by information.
Sounds good. Totally agree. Let's do it.
Misha, anything interesting from your side?
I don't think I have anything interesting for this week.
Okay. So not interesting week, I got it. Good. Yeah, then I guess we are done for now. Or any?
Yeah, let me clarify one thing though that I heard you guys say. I might have jumped on it a little late, but about documentation. So you said Carrie is writing documentation, and then we'll have.
Sorry, no. I will finish the documentation which is left for me, and then we can generally merge it. That's all.
And the documentation is on what topic?
For bulk.
Oh, just general. Okay.
Yeah, asynchronous API calls bulk. We added also this new road aliases that you can define in XML.
Right.
Operation search. Yeah, those topics. But
Okay.
I guess currently we have 5 articles and 3 more which are open, but I guess we will not finish them this week, so we just will merge what we have for now.
Okay. As long as, yeah, we'll need to have Kevin review those things and then we'll push them, yeah?
Yeah, we're working together on these.
Oh, excellent. Okay, great.
Good. Anything else?
No.
Not. Okay, good.
Thank you. Good update.
All right.
Yep. That was
Yeah,
nice.
good stuff,
by,
guys.
by the way, about the link which was expired, can we somehow make it fixed? Or what is a good way to hold it for a long time?
Yeah, we will schedule a new meeting for this time, right? For asynchronous import, and we'll
Yep.
call it asynchronous import.
Okay, good. Okay, cool. Sounds good.
All right.
Yep.
Awesome. Good work, guys.
Bye bye.
Bye,
Bye.
everyone.
Bye.